If you love the idea of fresh, homemade bread but hate the time, effort, and guesswork that comes with it, then a bread maker might be one of the best investments you can make for your kitchen. But here's the problem. Not all bread machines are created equal. Some are great for beginners, while others are designed to give you true bakery quality results. So in this video, I'm counting down the top 4 best bread makers on Amazon, from budget-friendly options to premium machines that take your bread to the next level. Let's get started. Coming in at number 4, we have the Asapoto 17-in-1 automatic bread machine, and this one is perfect if you're just getting started. If you've never made bread before, this machine makes things incredibly simple. You just add your ingredients, choose a program, and it takes care of everything, from kneading the dough to baking the final loaf. No experience needed. What really stands out here is the 17 customizable programs, which give you a lot of flexibility for a machine in this price range. You can make everything from basic white bread to whole wheat, gluten-free options, and even extras like jam and yogurt. It also features a large 2-pound capacity, making it great for families, along with 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust settings, so you can fully customize your bread. Performance-wise, it's powered by a 600-watt motor with 360-degree even heat distribution, which helps give you a golden crust and a soft, fluffy interior. And despite that power, it runs quietly at around 50 decibels. You also get a 15-hour delay timer, so you can set it up in advance and wake up to fresh bread, plus a keep warm function to maintain the perfect temperature after baking. And when it comes to cleanup, the non-stick pan makes everything quick and hassle-free. Now, this isn't a premium machine, and it's not trying to be. It's all about ease of use, affordability, and convenience. So if you're a beginner or just want a simple, reliable bread maker, this is a great place to start. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart automatic bread maker, and this is a solid step up in terms of build quality and brand reliability. Right away, you notice the compact stainless steel design, which not only looks great on your countertop, but also saves space while still allowing you to bake full-size loaves. It comes with 12 menu programs, giving you enough versatility to make a variety of breads, as well as other baked goods like cakes and pizza dough. You also get full control over your baking with 3 loaf sizes, 1.5 and 2 pounds, and 3 crust settings, so you can adjust both the size and texture exactly how you like it. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is how user-friendly it is. The LCD display clearly shows the countdown time, current cycle, and selected settings, and it even includes audible reminders so you don't miss important steps in the process. Once your bread is done, the keep warm function keeps it ready to eat for up to an hour. And just like the previous option, it includes a removable non-stick baking pan and kneading paddle, making cleanup simple. Compared to the number 4 pick, you're getting better durability, a more refined design, and the trust of a well-known brand, even though it has slightly fewer advanced programs. So if you want something dependable, easy to use, and built to last, this is a great choice. Coming in at number 2, we have the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker, and this one really stands out when it comes to features and value for money. It offers 19 one-touch programs, which is more than most machines in this range. That means you can make a wide variety of recipes including gluten-free bread, white, wheat, rye, French bread, sweet bread, pizza dough, cakes, and even jam. Like the others, it supports up to a 2-pound loaf, with multiple size options to suit both small households and larger families. It also includes a 15-hour delay timer, so you can schedule your baking ahead of time, along with a 60-minute keep warm function to keep your bread fresh after it's done. What makes this machine especially appealing is how it balances ease of use with versatility. It's designed to be foolproof, meaning it handles kneading, rising, and baking automatically, making it ideal for beginners, but at the same time, it offers enough features to keep more experienced users happy. Another bonus is its compact, energy-efficient design, which allows you to bake bread without heating up your entire kitchen, perfect for smaller spaces or warmer climates. If you want a machine that gives you more features, more flexibility, and great performance without a high price tag, this is easily one of the best options out there. Taking the number 1 spot, we have the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker, and this is in a completely different league. This machine is designed for people who want consistent, bakery-quality results every single time. One of its standout features is the dual kneading blades, which do a much more thorough job of mixing the dough compared to standard single-blade machines. This results in better texture and more evenly baked bread. It also uses dual heaters, one on the bottom and one on the lid, ensuring even baking and perfect browning across the entire loaf. When it comes to versatility, it includes a wide range of specialized settings, including multigrain, whole wheat, gluten-free, vegan, sugar-free, and salt-free options, making it ideal for a variety of dietary needs. And if you're short on time, the rapid baking setting allows you to have a fresh loaf ready in just about 2 hours and 25 minutes, which is impressive for this level of quality. The large, easy-to-read LCD display makes it simple to select your settings, and overall, the machine feels incredibly well-built and precise. Now yes, this is a premium product and it comes at a higher price point, but what you're getting in return is top-tier performance, reliability, and consistently excellent results. If you're serious about making high-quality bread at home, this is hands down the best bread maker on this list. If you want to check out any of these bread makers, you'll find links in the description below. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more home and kitchen finds that are actually worth your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.